I just want to say thank you for these 4 days. It's been a excellent experience. I didn't know what to expect coming in, other than I was had some expectations about what I was going to learn, and it went well beyond that. I feel like I've been following you on the videos and such for 10 years, and just the level of confidence coming out of this, with understanding how it works behind the scenes and knowing how effective the system is just it's interesting that I was always jumping into trades, and the discipline I've already learned just over these 4 days has been mind-blowing to me, actually, because I know I have 2 weeks of homework to do before I can get started, and it's not even a concern to me that I'll be successful in doing that, and already have a much better control of my the mental aspect of the trading, and I can already feel a big difference. And for me, that's the biggest takeaway on the 4 days here. Aside from that, the camp itself is just just unbelievable experience. The setup you have here is so very comfortable, and I mean, 4 days of classes anywhere else, you'd think by the fourth day you're just like, can't take another minute of it, but I could take this for 2 more weeks. I think it's just been excellent, great hospitality, and can't thank you enough for everything, and can't recommend it enough for anybody else that might be considering it. So look forward to sharing with you the success I'm expecting or hoping for, but I don't think hope has a lot to do with it. We know it's an automated system, we know it works, it's been proven, and I look forward to putting it in action. Thanks again, O. Very much appreciated.